Well, we'll see what to do with the other cases. I don't know if it fits my phone, but you gotta hurry up, because my video's short on this thing. Man, you open like a grandma. What is that, Jackson?
What is that?
What is it?
What is it?
Look. Open the box.
What is it?
No, let me open it. It's my gift.
Smarty pants.
Cool. Look.
So tell me what it is.
Easy, easy.
Whoa, it's gonna come falling out. Maybe not.
No.
How about a PSP? PlayStation Portable that replaces the old Game Boy?
Yes.
And that was the case for it and the game for it. Which means you got the whole setup, kid.
Game Boy.
Yay! Game Boy's old compared to that, Bubby.
Yep.
Which means he could come and go in here.